Nate from Wyoming Wood N Works here in the School of Hard Knocks. Some of the slabs, we have lots of slabs. I mean, just in the hallway when you first come in, we call it our tempter wall. So if you like slabs, we're cutting lots and lots and lots of slabs, drying them as fast as we can get them dried. It's been nice, people have been coming out, and so if we don't have what you want, we're probably going to be cutting it in the next few weeks. So this is curly maple, and you see the just spectacular curl in this stuff. Even the caps of the logs with all the wormholes. These are kiln dried as well, so we kiln dry the lumber. And so maples, oaks, locusts. This is sycamore. I always like sycamore because it's so cool, because I like the term sycamore. It's just kind of fun. So sycamore, it's like snakeskin sycamore. The figure in this is just spectacular. So it's this tree was growing up in a circle, and you cut it down the middle, and it's got figure to beat the band. So really, really pretty. But we try to keep a little bit of everything from your walnuts, just really, really cool slabs for epoxies. So we do mini slabs, real small slabs, all that sort of thing as well. So that way you can do your small epoxy pours to a really big one. So that'll do her.